Hi everyone, I am Suhan and today we are gonna see my blog project made in Django framework. Oh sorry, Suhan. I have hosted this project on Python Anywhere. You can see here that the wallpaper is changing or the banner is changing, and I can click here and explore. This is my blog, sample blog, and you can see here that it's a blog. I have also made a feature so as we can recommend it, and a heart sign come here, and it also tells how many comments are there for a viewer. This is a viewer perspective, then I will show my perspective. First we will see this. Now I can also read this blog, or first we will see how to search it. You can search here, and if I search for lunar satellite, you will see for the lunar satellite. You can also visit this website and see my or test my blog. You can also go in the recommend section, which will only show the blogs which are recommended by me. Now we will also see that about section. In this we can see my information and also the about. I will return to the blog. Now the best part of this is that we can read more and also read the blog. There are three options for the banner. First is your uploaded photo, second is the default banner, and third is an extra banner. It is a blog, so the styling is done in a blog format. One can also comment here like YouTube, comment for the video. Now submit. You will notice that my comment is not visible, as I have taken a feature which is known as first the admin should approve the comment, then it will be shown to everyone. Now let's move to my perspective, means the admin perspective. Submit. It's my perspective, and new options are available like message, logout, drafts, the post which I have not posted yet, like see these are the draft, and the same usual recommended. First we will see what is message. These are the messages which one can send, or the viewer can send from here. Like I will send Suhan and some email address like Suhan, made up, subject YouTube, yeah, message MESSA. Now I will click on send, and you can see that the message is sent. If I visit my blog and see on messages, you will notice that a new message has popped here, and the message I can remove it if I have read it. Then you can also go on post and post new things, and here in the post I have used a text editor so that you can enrich your post, such as bold, italic, and you can also increase the size from here. I will select a big size, okay, like Suhan, and also color it from here, background color, and yes. Now author is Suhan, and text is Suhan has done index, and I can also upload an image and also a banner image, but I will not do it now, and save it. You can see it, my blog with the Suhan text and a publish option which I can use to publish this post, and also edit and delete to delete this post, and comment you have seen. If I go to draft, well, you can see this one. Yes, this one. Yeah, it's this one, as it arranges backwards. So this one is the, I can read here and also publish it. If I publish, it will be visible on the home page, and there are no comments on it. The comment which I talked about at the starting is now visible to me, and I can approve or remove it. I will approve it, and now it will be visible to all of them. I can also like a comment, and a heart symbol will come next to it, and I can also remove a comment using remove, and the comment is gone from here. Now I will remove this, and the comment is gone. If I log out and again go to the same one, you can see that the comments are removed. So this was my blog, a simple blog made with Django. If you want the source code or any tips on how to create this, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, which is mentioned here. So you can visit this blog on this suhanbhandari.pythonanywhere.com. Okay, that was it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my lead code series. And I love how the background changes and it gives a 3D feel to the blog. So signing out, Suhan.